Students, I hope you all would be fine. Today we are going to revise our previous topics. उसके बाद हम कुछ tenses कर लेंगे ताकि आप Okay, if you remember, we talked about tenses, and tenses are actually tell us the time of an action, right? I told you that suppose a person he is having a shopping bag in his hand. एक person के पास shopping bag है hand में, or if he enters in his home and he is standing there, and if the mother asks, अगर उसकी mother पूछती है that where are you going, right? अब shopping bag उसके हाथ में है and the mother is asking where are you going. At that moment he is saying I'm going to bazaar. I am going to bazaar. Whereas this person is having shopping bag in his hand, right? And the mother is asking where are you going? अब ये बताएं, he is having this bag in his hand. इसका क्या मतलब है कि वो shopping कर आया है या करने जा रहा है? जी, who will tell me this answer? I went to bazaar. Right? अगर ये person यहाँ पे कह रहा है I'm going to bazaar, this is the wrong tense he is using. यानी कि अपनी action का time गलत बता रहा है. यहाँ पे ये प्रेजेंट में बता रहा है जबकि होना किस में चाहिए था? I went to bazaar. जी स्टूडेंट्स,
पास्ट में.
वेरी गुड, पास्ट में. यस, दिस इज एक्चुअली व्हाट टेंसेस. टेंसेस हमें क्या बताते हैं? टाइम ऑफ एन एक्शन. टाइम ऑफ एन एक्शन मीन व्हेन दैट एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, राइट? अब टाइम ऑफ एन एक्शन कौन सा होता है? आइदर दैट एक्शन टुक प्लेस इन पास्ट, या वो एक्शन पास्ट में हुआ था, या वो प्रेजेंट में हो रहा है, या वो फ्यूचर में होगा, राइट? सो टेंसेस, मेन जो टेंसेस है, मेन टाइम ऑफ एन एक्शन क्या है कि आइदर इट इज पास्ट और इट इज प्रेजेंट और इट इज फ्यूचर. एक्शन या तो प्रेजेंट में है, या वो फ्यूचर में होगा, या वो पास्ट में हो चुका है, राइट? सो हियर द पर्सन विल यूज दिस सेंटेंस. यहाँ पे ये टेंस यूज करेगा इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस वन. व्हाई? क्योंकि इसके पास शॉपिंग बैग है एंड ही इज हैविंग थिंग्स इन इट. इसका मतलब है कि ये शॉपिंग करके आ गया है. सो व्हेन ही केम आफ्टर शॉपिंग, सो ही विल यूज पास्ट टेंस. He will not use present tense that he is now going. So the tenses tell us what time of an action. So there are main three time of an action. First is present, second is past, and third is future, right? Actually, students of BBA, will you please tell me these three main tenses are further divided into? मैंने आपको कराया था जी. Who will tell me these three tenses are further divided into?
Ma'am, further divided into four other tenses.
Which are those four?
12.
Ma'am, present indefinite.
Or
Simple present.
what sequence?
Present continuous.
Continuous, yes.
Present perfect.
And fourth is
Perfect continuous.
perfect continuous. Very good.
Present continuous.
Each tense, each main tense, present is further divided into four categories, right? And these four categories I told you कि आप इसे I से याद रख सकते हैं. Then the next is C, P, and PC, right? Present indefinite, इसको आप I से याद रख सकते हैं. Present Continuous, you can remember and recall it with P. Present perfect with double P or P, and present perfect continuous, that is PC, perfect continuous tense. Right? Again, I'm repeating three main tenses, three main time of an action. Those three further divided into four types. Each is divided into further four. इसी तरह past के साथ भी आप लगा लें indefinite. Same आएगा, right? Past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous, right? In the same way, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. Yes, students of BCS. Now you will tell me total tenses कितने हो गए जी? Students of BCS.
12.
Yes, ma'am.
How many tenses?
12.
Very good. So there are total 12 tenses, right? Because each is divided into 4. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4 is equal to
12.
12. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever someone asks you what is tenses, so you should tell tenses tell us the time of an action. Clear? वो time main कौन से है? It could be present, past as well as future. Present is further divided into 4 categories. Indefinite with I, continuous with C, perfect with P, and perfect continuous with PC. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to talk about the first one. Okay, yes, law wale students, LLB. Who will tell me whenever you want to tell about your routine, in which tense or in which sentence you will use those words, those sentences? Who will tell me about your daily routine? लॉ वाले स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज बताएं.
Present, ma'am.
जी, tell me about your routine. Any one student, please.
Ma'am, I go to the school daily. I get up early in the morning.
You go to school daily or you go to university daily?
University
Nowadays-
school एक example है ना सिर्फ तो.
Okay, I go to university daily. What else? I get up early.
In
Then
the morning.
ठीक है. उसके बाद
I take my breakfast.
okay, I take my breakfast. Okay, what else? आगे बताएं जी.
I bath daily.
I put my uniform, or if
जी.
there is.
What else? One more sentence, please. I take my breakfast.
I offer my
ठीक है. I offer my prayers. I offer.
I wear my uniform.
Okay, 5 times prayer. Right? और आप में से करते होंगे I recite Holy Quran.
I play cricket.
Okay, I play cricket. Okay, now these are the different examples which are related with the part of your routine. ये वो actions हैं जो कि आप daily perform करते हैं. It is a part of your routine. यहाँ पे आपको नहीं पता ये कब तक चलते रहेंगे और कब से चलते आए हैं. These are actually those actions which will be carrying on ये नहीं पता कब तक जारी रहेंगे, बट दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ योर रूटीन, राइट? इट इज फॉर इंडेफिनिट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, इसीलिए हम इसे कहते हैं प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट। इंडेफिनिट का क्या मतलब है? यू आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट द एग्जैक्ट टाइम, बस ये हमेशा के लिए या आपकी रूटीन का हिस्सा है, राइट? सो व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू हैव सच सेंटेंसेस व्हिच आर द पार्ट ऑफ योर रूटीन, तो वहां पे आपने क्या यूज करना है? फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब। यहाँ पे कोई इज एम आर है? इज देयर एनी इज एम आर?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
देयर इज नो इज एम आर। यहाँ पे कोई आईएनजी है?
No, ma'am.
नो आईएनजी। इज देयर एनी डू एंड डज हियर? सॉरी, हैज हैव यहाँ पे है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
कुछ भी नहीं है, हैड भी नहीं है, वॉज भी नहीं है, वर्ब भी नहीं है, इज एम आर भी नहीं है। इट मीन्स whenever you want to talk about your routine, ठीक है, वहां पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ you will use first form of verb.
Verb.
Clear? I go to university daily, I get up, यहाँ पे भी देखें, it's not getting, it's not has have, it's not was and were, यहाँ पे is and are कुछ भी नहीं आ, right? Only first form of verb. Clear? अब there is another thing in present indefinite tense. ये first tense है, that is present indefinite, right? तो present indefinite में एक और चीज, अगर यहाँ पे he आ रहा है, she है, और फिर यहाँ पे आएगा goes, then you will add s or es. But if it is not he, she, तो फिर आपने I है, they, you, we, बाकी सारे pronouns हैं, तो वहां पे आपने एस और एस नहीं लगा। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? इसमें से दो रूल्स हैं।
Yes, ma'am.
सिंपल सेंटेंस।
Yes, ma'am.
Either you will add s or es, or you will not add s or es with the first form of verb. बाकी कुछ ऐड नहीं करना, only first form of verb with he, she, it, I, you, they, we, ठीक है? अब फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ s और es कब लगेगा? When there is he, she and it, right? And there will be no s or es अगर वहां पे I, you, they, we आ रहा है। Clear? यहाँ पे हमने why we have added s? Why we have added s?
क्योंकि she use हुआ है।
Because
Yes, ma'am.
because of she, and I told you
Yes.
when it is he, she and it, तो फिर आप उसके साथ क्या लगाएंगे? s और es. और अगर he, she, it नहीं है तो there you will not add s or es. Right? He offered 5 times prayers. Is it correct?
He offers.
Very
He offers.
He offers.
He
He
offered.
offers.
I did s because of this. He.
He.
Clear? And what about this?
He's
Yes,
not
ma'am.
Is it correct? They recite Holy Quran.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
ठीक है, right है।
They recite Holy Quran. Is it correct?
नो मैम, ऐसा नहीं आएगा।
Very
No,
good.
ma'am, नहीं
Then you
correct.
will not add s. Why? Because it's they. So in present indefinite tense, you will use first form of verb with or without s or es. If it is he, she and it, you will use s or es, and if it is they, I, you, we, you will not add s or es. Yeah? अच्छा जी. Now we are going to have negative and interrogative sentences of present indefinite. Clear? If someone plays cricket, he would say, I play cricket. आप सब क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते होंगे, so अगर कोई नहीं खेलता तो वो यहाँ पे क्या कहेगा? I don't play cricket, right? So the use of don't here in negative sentence, यहाँ पे देखें, it's a simple sentence without any no और not, यहाँ पे ना ही कोई negative word है, ना ही ये कोई question है. It's a simple sentence, and in simple sentence I have just told you, you will use first form of verb with or without addition of s or es. Clear? यहाँ पे मैंने s क्यों नहीं लगाया? जी.
Ma'am.
Very good, because I is used, that is why I didn't add s or es. Clear? Now the negative of
Yes,
this is I don't play cricket. यहाँ पे मैंने किसकी addition की है?
Do not, ma'am.
मैम
यहाँ पे मैंने do not या don't की addition की है. It means whenever you want to make the negative and interrogative, negative वो sentences होते हैं जिसमें not I, and interrogative sentences are those जो questioning sentences होते हैं. As I told you when we were talking about the types of or kinds of in sentence, right? So अगर आपने negative और interrogative बनाना है, so you will add do and does. Clear? अच्छा जी, BBA students.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will tell me कि कहाँ पे हम does लगाएंगे और कहाँ पे हम do लगाएंगे? कोई अंदाजा?
मैम जब she it लगाएंगे तो does लगाएंगे और they के साथ लगाएंगे तो do लगाएंगे.
How did you come to know?
मैम आई और वी के साथ डू लगाएंगे और बाकी के साथ डज लगाएंगे.
इसको याद रखने के लिए कि कहाँ पे do and where you will use does. Look here, is do में s और es है? There is no s or es in do.
No.
तो हमने क्या कहा था? I, you, they, we, उनके साथ आपने s और es add नहीं करा, right? So that is why you will add do with these. और यहाँ पे does में देखें es is there, and I told you when it is he, she and it, तो उसके साथ आपने s और es लगाना है. That is why this does will be used with he, she and it. अच्छा जी, अब यहाँ पे अगर मैं करती हूँ he don't play cricket, is it correct? Is it correct? BCA students, please.
No ma'am.
BCA students.
No ma'am.
BCA
ये correct नहीं है. He does not.
No, ma'am.
Is it correct? He don't.
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
It's not correct.
He does not आएगा.
If it is incorrect, tell me the correct sentence.
Ma'am, correct is he does not play
Very
cricket.
good. He does not play cricket. Why you have used does? Because it is he, she and it. Clear? Okay, ji. Now we
Yes, ma'am.
make interrogative sentence. Whenever you want to make interrogative sentence, interrogative means questioning sentence. So you will use and put this do and does at the start of a sentence, and you will add question mark at the end, right? Whenever you want to make an interrogative sentence, जब भी आप सवालिया sentence बनाना चाहते हैं, तो आपने क्या करना है? You will put and place this do and does at the start of a sentence, and there will be a question mark at the end. अब मुझे बताएं, is this sentence correct? Does they play cricket?
No ma'am.
Why?
No ma'am. Do आएगा.
Very
क्योंकि they आया हुआ है.
Use do here. Why? Because it's they. Clear? So do they play cricket? Now it's the correct sentence, right? अब यहाँ पे एक और example. अच्छा जी, is this correct?
No, ma'am.
does आएगा इधर. क्योंकि he आया हुआ है.
ये चीज wrong है, इसको हमने ठीक करना है does. Why? Because it's he
मैम यहाँ पे गो आएगा।
गो आएगा।
यहाँ पे देखिए प्लीज, जब
गो आएगा मैम, गो आएगा।
es पहले आ गया है, when there is es in that पहले आ गया है, तो दोबारा आप फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ क्लियर? तो दिस
Yes,
सेंटेंस
ma'am.
will be, does
Yes,
he
ma'am.
want to mark it? Question mark at the end. Okay ji, take care of yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Again, Allah Hafiz.